Alright, what's up, yo? I'm back again. This is part 5, on this 25 cal Hatsan Sortie today. I started this morning around 8 o'clock this morning, and it is now almost 2 o'clock this afternoon. So, I think I brought this out there 3 different times. First time was shooting a little lower than I wanted. Second time, I made an adjustment on the hammer spring, and then the second time it was shooting even lower than it was the first time. Came back, made another adjustment which I didn't record, and then drove back out there again, and then the third time it was fucked up. It was broken. I broke this fucking thing. So now this is part 5, I think they said it was, of the videos I'm making. So this one is surgery. We're about to take this thing apart and see what I did to that hammer spring. When I was looking at it when I was out there, it looked like the hammer spring, I might have compressed it too much and it maybe got bent up. Like, say this is the spring, this ain't it, but it was all like twisted and bent and shit. So we're gonna take this thing apart again and take a look and see, what I really did. Because right now, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but not even enough to caulk it. So not sure what I did here. So we're about to find out though. So let's get these screws out. I'm still trying to decide what I'm going to name what I just did here. Maybe how to fuck up your Hatsan Sortie, or what not to do, with this thing. But we'll go from there. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Get this out the stock first. And then there we go. Stock is gone. So basically what's going on is, I'm going to hold it this way just so I can show you, is you see the hammer right there? It's not even engaged anymore. You see that shit? So there it goes. And that was it. So let's see if I can show you again. See, I had to caulk that all the way back just to engage it. So I think the hammer spring in here, it might be damaged from what I did. So we're about to find out. So where are the tools I had? So I have my 2 Allen wrenches, my little kit here. So let's get this out. I would have taken a look at this at the park, but I left a flathead screwdriver here. So we have that out now. Let's see what this spring looks like now. See how rough that is to get out of there. So there's that. That's that, the back plug piece. It's all dirty. And that's what I did to the spring. So, spring is fucked up. I don't have to go any further than that now. So I must have put too much, or when I tightened it, it destroyed that spring. So can see up in there. Let's turn this on, see if we can get any light. No, we can't really see what's up in there, so I'm going to take a look and see. So I don't know what I did to... So I'm wondering if this thing was getting cranked when I was cranking, you know, when I was making these adjustments here. Let me get this out the way. Maybe it'll focus on my hand. You know, I'm thinking that when I was making those adjustments, it might have been just the pressure up against here was just cranking that. So that spring is no good. I am going to have to reach out to Hatsan and see if I can get another one. I'll probably end up having to pay for it just because, you know, I've been doing this shit myself and, you know, I voided the warranty. I mean, if this is only a year warranty on this thing anyway, then this thing's just about a year old or a little older than that anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Warranty's done. So, but we know what the problem is. So now I have to try to get me a new hammer spring and see if we can fix it. But since we're here, why not break shit some more? Bucket, right? Alright, so let me get the retention screw out. Let's see what the rest of this looks like. Let me just... So there's that retention screw. That's the one that went into the hammer. And there's the hammer right there. Is this the right size? Alright, so let's see if I can get this little... Okay, so now we'll see what this thing looks like. So this little piece looks like almost like a spacer. And that sits in between the spring and the actual retention screw. And that's all it is. It's just wicked dirty. So this is what I've been cranking on. You can see the dings in it from where that retention screw was sitting here and there. So I take it, it sits like this, like that, and like that. And then it has this piece here. So when I cranked it all the way, I wonder if I put so much tension. It has to be. Yeah, because I could even feel the tension like when I just turn it that way. So that's it. This is how you break a Hatsan Sortie. This is how you fuck up your Hatsan Sortie. So, although we know how to make the hammer spring adjustment, I'm going to say if I wouldn't fox with it. You seen what I did. Absolutely destroyed that spring. So, there ain't shit I could do with that. I don't even know where to get a spring like that again except from Hatsan. So, we know the problem. Surgery has been performed, and I gotta get another part to replace this. So, that's a wrap.